Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon ricotta cake. This beautiful cake recipe comes to us from King Arthur flour. And today we're going to use 00 pizza flour. Let me just share with you what King Arthur has to say about this lemon ricotta cake. How does this lemon ricotta cake get its plush, melt-in-your-mouth texture and tightly knit crumb? The moisture and richness of the ricotta helps. Beautiful, beautiful ricotta cheese. But the real ticket is our finely milled 00 pizza flour, which is for more than just pizza. In this recipe, it keeps the cake super soft and light. Sweet but not sugary, flavorful but not bossy. Nobody wants a bossy cake, do they? This cake is as suitable with morning coffee as it is with after-dinner espresso. So, this crunchy lemon glaze that we add after the cake is baked adds another dimension of citrus flavor, which gets stronger as the cake sits. So, let's bake this lemon ricotta cake together. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, to kick things off, King Arthur wants us to make the cake. So, in a medium bowl, we're going to whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. 1.5 cups or 174 grams of King Arthur 00 pizza flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 and 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. Just like that. We'll give that a quick whisk. Then we'll work on the wet ingredients. We'll start creaming the sugar and the butter in our trusty stand mixer. Thank you, KitchenAid. KitchenAid stand mixer has completely revolutionized my baking experience. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a flat beater or working with an electric hand mixer is fine as well, beat together the butter, sugar, and lemon zest on medium speed until light and fluffy, 3 to 5 minutes. And so, in the bowl of a stand mixer, and the zest of 1 lemon. 1 cup or 198 grams of granulated sugar, 113 grams or 8 tablespoons of butter. At room temperature, please. Beat together on medium speed until light and fluffy, 3 to 5 minutes, with a handy-dandy paddle attachment. Now we're going to scrape down the bowl, add the egg yolks, and beat until combined, about 1 minute. 3 large egg yolks. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the ricotta, the extract, and the dry ingredients. 1 cup or 227 grams of ricotta cheese, whole milk preferred, 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and the dry ingredients we mixed in the first step. We're going to mix until just combined. And while that's working, in a medium bowl, we're going to whisk the egg whites until very frothy, just 1 or 2 minutes. No need to reach soft peaks. So, whisk those beautiful egg whites. Pour in the 3 large egg whites, 3 large beaten egg whites, and mix on medium speed. Transfer the thick batter to the prepared pan and smooth it into an even layer. Oh, you can smell the lemon and the vanilla extract. A small offset spatula is a helpful tool here. One beautiful King Arthur lemon ricotta cake is on the way. 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. We're going to bake the lemon ricotta cake for 20 to 25 minutes until deeply golden, then tent with foil and bake for 8 to 10 more minutes. The cake is done when its set has pulled away from the sides of the pan slightly and springs back when lightly pressed. Are you ready? Into the oven she goes. Here comes our beautiful cake right from the oven. Here she is. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at this cake. Isn't that amazing? Now what we need to do is we're going to let the cake cool for just 10 minutes. We'll turn it out of the pan, and then we're going to coat it with the glaze. Lemon juice, sparkling sugar, and confectioner sugar mixed together as a finishing touch. Are you ready? Here comes the trick. I'm going to turn it out upside down onto a second cooling rack, and from there we'll flip it back right side up and put it over here on the sheet pan so that we can glaze it. 1, 2, 3. We're working, we're working, we're working. There it is. And we'll just carefully peel the parchment paper from the bottom of our still quite warm lemon ricotta cake. And now for the second part of my magic trick. 180. Boom. And there you have it. Onto the parchment lined sheet pan. And here comes that beautiful glaze. Whisk together the lemon juice and the sugars until no dry confection sugars remain. There was 2 tablespoons or 28 grams of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons or 43 grams of coarse sparkling sugar, and 1/2 cup or 57 grams of confectioner sugar. Pour the glaze evenly over the top of the cake, encouraging it to reach all the way to the edges. Beautiful. Let the lemon ricotta cake cool until the glaze is set, or about 30 minutes. Serve it slightly warm or at room temperature. I encourage you to try this at home, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section down below this video. Okay, my friends, look at this beautiful lemon ricotta cake. It's time to cut the cake. Look at this. Well, my friends, here is that moment of truth. Here's that beautiful lemon ricotta cake. So here we go. A little bite just for you. The lemon flavor, lemon juice, and lemon zest really comes through. Please click the thumbs up like button and subscribe to my channel, which helps us to produce more yummy videos for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. So good, so good, so good.
Yum.